Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find these Rome research insights helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the platform. Today we're diving into MoneyLion, a multifaceted financial platform available at MoneyLion.com. MoneyLion offers a range of services, including banking, investing, and credit-building tools, all designed to help you manage your finances effectively. It aims to provide a comprehensive suite of tools to empower users to take control of their financial lives, from everyday spending to long-term savings goals. MoneyLion stands out by trying to consolidate numerous financial needs into a single app. This integrated approach can be beneficial for users who prefer the convenience of managing everything in one place. They offer features like no-fee checking accounts, early paycheck access, and managed investment portfolios, catering to a diverse range of financial needs. One key aspect of MoneyLion is its focus on credit building. The platform provides resources and tools to help users improve their credit scores, which can be crucial for accessing better loan rates and other financial opportunities. This credit-building component complements their other offerings, creating a more holistic financial management experience. While the all-in-one approach can be attractive, it's always a good idea to compare MoneyLion's features and fees with those of other financial institutions and investment platforms. Doing some research and comparing options will ensure that MoneyLion aligns with your specific financial goals and preferences. Take the time to thoroughly explore their website at MoneyLion.com to get a complete understanding of the services they provide. It's important to remember that every financial platform has its own advantages and disadvantages, and what works for one person may not be the best fit for another. Before making any decisions, consider your individual financial situation and needs. MoneyLion offers a compelling suite of tools, but it's crucial to do your due diligence to determine if it's the right choice for you. Check out the link in the description for more information.